Hey Beauty Boss Babe, I'm your beauty marketing bestie, Brittney Brands, and today I have an irresistible offer just for you. It's everything you need to skyrocket your beauty business with our Done For You ads program for just $67 a month. So let's dive right into this. Our Done For You Ads Society is the Beauty Advertising Society Done For You ads program for just $67 a month. So you're already making waves in the beauty world, but you're tired of stressing out about ads, right? I've got you covered, babe. So with our $67 a month membership program, you'll get access to plug and play ad templates, stunning graphic templates, and ad copy cheat sheets, and audience targeting guides tailored just for your beauty product e-commerce store. Whether it be hair care products, skincare products, or accessories, I got you. So just imagine with these Done For You assets, you can set up your ads the right way in no time. Plus, you'll have me, Brittney Brands, your beauty marketing bestie, guiding you through every step of the process. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is the beauty bestie marketing Barbie herself? That's me. Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an entrepreneur who has helped dozens of Shopify store owners for over 10 years, just like yourself, start and scale their own successful beauty brand in just 90 days. So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. In this exclusive private Done For You ads membership, I'll review how I launched my very own successful beauty brand on Amazon and Shopify, and how I stood out from the competition, and how I can let you stand out from the competition as well, and how I was able to get a return on investment in less than 90 days. So you'll also receive worksheets, workbooks, and cheat sheet guides to get you to every step of the way. So what are you doing? Stop what you're doing. Go ahead to the bottom and go ahead and click on that membership program. You can cancel anytime. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom who's just started her beauty brand, or a 9-to-5er who's looking to leave corporate like I did, or an inspired beauty brand owner who's been struggling to launch on a budget, this $67 a month Done For You ads program is specifically for you. But wait, there's more. When you join our program, you'll get a private invite to our exclusive Facebook group for an ad support. Here, you'll level up your ads game, network with like-minded beauty bosses, and have the chance to ask me and my team anything. So get ready to take your beauty business to the next level. So click the purchase link below for our $67 a month Done For You ads program now. I cannot wait to see you in our private Facebook group page so that you can reveal and show your beauty brand and how you can scale it and get that return on investment in 90 days. So all right, bye now, beauty bestie, and I will see you on Facebook.